Up in the South Hills next to Helena, the Forest Service is working hard in order to reduce wildfire risks and keep the forest healthy. During the summer months, crews work to take down smaller trees and other brush that could be fuel for wildfires. Then, during the winter, fire teams from the Forest Service burn those same piles, later coming back to burn even more underbrush and small saplings. Basically what this is doing is mimicking the effects of a natural wildfire through a controlled fashion. In ponderosa pine forests, like the ones in the South Hills, historically, a natural low-intensity wildfire would burn through the area about every 3 to 5 years. Through prescribed burning, the Forest Service is ridding the forest floor of excess fuel that, in the case of an actual wildfire, would make the fire burn faster and hotter, potentially causing more damage. They are essentially fighting fire with fire by mimicking natural wildfires.
And putting it into piles, burning those piles, and then we'll be coming through afterwards with an understory low-intensity burn under the canopy to increase resilience for the ecosystem, and as well as try to protect our communities here of catastrophic wildfire.
Now, this doesn't guarantee that a wildfire couldn't affect the South Hills, but it does lessen the chances of a large and destructive wildfire. The next time you see a fire in the direction of the South Hills, you can always check the Helena, Lewis and Clark National Forest Facebook page to see if it is indeed a prescribed burn. Prescribed burns in the South Hills will likely continue through Friday if current conditions hold. In Helena, Tom Buchanan, MTN News.